Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to transfer XRP from Toast Wallet to Coinbase in 2025. With the crypto world evolving rapidly, this guide will help you navigate any updates seamlessly. Whether you're holding XRP for investment or just experimenting, transferring it safely is key to managing your portfolio. First things first, make sure you have both Toast Wallet and Coinbase accounts set up. In 2025, we might see enhanced security features, so double-check for two-factor authentication on both platforms. This step is crucial to protect your assets from any potential risks. Let's dive into the steps. Start by opening your Toast Wallet app on your mobile device or desktop. Locate your XRP balance in the wallet dashboard. It's usually front and center. Once you're there, select the Send or Transfer option. Now, you'll need your Coinbase wallet address. Head over to your Coinbase account, go to the XRP section, and copy the receiving address. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Back in Toast Wallet, paste the Coinbase address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, but remember to account for any network fees. These can vary based on 2025's blockchain updates. Double-check everything, then hit Confirm to initiate the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt, so review it carefully before proceeding. Once sent, the transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. In 2025, XRP's Ripple network could be even faster, so keep an eye on your transaction status. Finally, log back into Coinbase and refresh your wallet to see your XRP arrive. And that's it, you've successfully moved your XRP from Toast Wallet to Coinbase. Remember, always stay informed about crypto regulations and security best practices. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.